Hello everyone, hope you're fine, hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'm going to be making banana and mango juice. It's a very simple juice recipe. You can also try it out at home. It's very healthy and it is very easy to make. So I'm going to be using about 5 small mangoes, and then I'll use 1 banana medium size. Yeah, so the mangoes have to always be more than the bananas because you don't want the flavor of the bananas to oversede the flavor of the mangoes. So I've just placed the mangoes in the blender, and now I'm adding the bananas. I'm not going to be using sugar today. I'm going to be using honey. It's healthy, though I don't like honey. It's very healthy, so I would advise that you use it instead of sugar, or you don't actually add sugar at all because the 2 fruits have a lot of sugar in them. And then I'm going to also add some little water, which will help to ease the blending process. Blend until you don't have any solid particles in your juice. And the good news is you don't have to save this juice at all. You just have to pour it in your glass and then drink it right away. It's what I'm actually doing. I'm going to drink this right now, and then I'm going to keep some for later. Subscribe to my kitchen by Nana, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload. Hope you've liked the video. Have a lovely day.